Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to visit Golestan Palace. If you didn't watch our previous video, just go and watch it. Today we're going to visit the museum, which is special museum, and as you can see there are different kind of handcrafts and different types of art. Sorry for my voice, by the way. I have a cold and I hope that my voice does not bother you. Here you can see many animals in different statues, and at that time that was a very nice thing they did. They wanted to show their respect to the king, so they sent him many presents, and these are many of them. Yeah, you can see many paintings on tissue box or on the bowls and glasses. Here are telescopes. They were into watching stars. We call it قلم زنی in Persian, and this is a kind of painting on the woods. These clocks were really beautiful. I really enjoyed watching them. This was really beautiful. I really liked the combination of the colors, and one of the things I realized was the fact that in Qajar dynasty they really liked yellow color, and you can see it in many paintings and many statues. Here it seemed they were made out of bones, so it was really nice. This mirror was really unique. This tray is more than just a tray. Just imagine having a coffee or tea out of it, and yeah, that was really amazing. We call it samovar, but I don't know what you call it. It's a kind of kettle that you boil water in it, but in a very large amount of water. These swords seemed really sharp, and they were just weapons all over. This part reminded me of Brave cartoon. I don't know why. Oh, just imagine you're watching a scene or a prey with this beautiful thing. Even the weapons were really colorful, and that was really nice to see. They were in many colors: red, green, I don't know, blue. And it seems like they even showed the art in anything they could find. These were also beautiful. This is the picture of the king here, you can see it. And they put it on their dresses or their clothes. This part is again made out of gold or golden stuff, which was really beautiful. The door even looked amazing. Yeah, again, this part, I think they're all made out of stone or maybe out of bones, I'm not sure. But they seem really fragile, like I felt like if it fall down, it would just break in a second. This part is just so amazing because now we can type easily, but on those days it was not very easy.